Take automation to the next level with Tigerpak's hooded heat shrink machines. Firstly, remove the roll holder from the machine and install your desired film as shown. Reinstall the film back onto the machine in the saddle mounts. Guide the film through the rollers and separate over the product platform. Every new roll requires sealing before production takes place. Insert your product into the film and guide onto the sealing tray. The control panel allows adjustments to be made to temperature, sealing time, cooling time, and fan control. Now lower the hood and begin the heat shrinking process.